akwanfo do mo na mbiso da bia ye betwa bombe shebo
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me adwowa searching ebusuafo ye de ani echrem ewo Western North na asembe na esi ewo Western North ahemfofo omo Western North omo anudem esumama na omo ya osapone sen omo hawo ne sen a omo echre se Ghana fu bi omo adwen eda ho fan omo adwen ye adwuma no ede endwom sapere esre ahemfofo no anything na nam so ende omo anu dem omo kekem ma na endwom sapre na Ghana fu bi ede extra ahemfofo omo Western North no omo de sra omo because ahemfofo no echre say 2024 omo to aba boom de His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enti so omo ato aba de ama ne de omo kwan enye chese kwan ni ku omo nti no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama embe omo kwan enfem omo na sensem ya ahemfofo yi ekan e na Ghana fo bi omo adwemo da ho fan a omo atena Western North ache nti omo nim aban omo yo omo akwan de omo na so Western North fo ahemfofo no man na in appreciate sa aban nti no ende omo esre omo
ai bo wana MPP ni abegi wanem eyezu oseyeza sapr apr ede anu wanya osisa ade we nyina ye ahrobahye nti ND samanyukwachitafo adabokrum omo nso omo nso na anhesa mba de enye na baafo kwaku ani motoso mienu eyesehwi isem hene wono so de adesede to ND samanyukwu no anim ade na motitani Johnson Sedin Katiaso say 7 producer ewiase bi osusu naniwa omu pomu wonu kwani nyamenemene akwanfo do mo na mbiso da bia ye betwa bombe shebo ye beye kwan mfie nan na twam mfie nwotwe na twam sapr omu honhwe to di o srenada mfie nan de mo mampani Mahamedie sapr no onfa bi mro mu pomu ho na omonso omunya kwan papa mfa so
na ebusuafo ansa na mede ensem ne bebro no se me ka Western North asema me ka ne yie na me kire mu yie because Western North matna hoda mentna Western North na nye 15 years e ho na me wie JSS me free Western North but e ho na me ma me kwa aware nti Western North me kwa ho na me sha ti me ka ho asema nim ne me ka Western North e regional omo produce cocoa pa yie me papa ne maame obabesi otumiti cocoa 70 bucks those days from 2001 ebano to me to cocoa 70 bucks 50 bucks Western North ye ka cocoa pa Western North nso ye region bi a aduane wo ho pa che se omotimi di ebi e supply Ghana nyina enso ni bibi ye ka akwanfo akwan ye agimi akwan ye papa Western North ena ego from Elibo to Enchi from Enchi to Kumasi omo kwan nyina nye ebia ofi Kumasi ebese akwa Enchi ana eye kakra kosi Asankregwa empa Asankregwa na MPP na beye akwa kosi Enchi eho kakra na from Enchi eba bese akọ your friends o ma pe boy so eba bese akọ asem kuroma bepem Elibo de medonya me say me as young as I was no se me ba Central region na mo akwan na me kom omo ma akwan na me ba Central region na me sanso akọ back to me ma me wa me do Elibo a by 5 o'clock so when do want them enya car we be Elibo because e kwan ni nye na kia omo de park ni party say eniama kia o just nsu to de ni bobo e kwa and so some region where region be His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo the former president by from Dadeaso from Enchi to Dadeaso e kwan ba ko a enye from Enchi to Dadeaso His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo yes akwan no in fact from Elibo to Boenso e kwanya enya kire say even nsu nto ikra na se wo kwa empai bon kwa na nyame de wakwa kodu because kire say kia no e ko left na e ko right na kire say e kwa most of you munni me kwan na ye ka ho asem no enso na na Dubai Western North anto aba amfa ma MPP na na do ye kwan no wanye otwae from Elibo to friend say Enchi contractors go so na mo ye kwan kire say na kwan ni nye kura bate omu twa so nyina yi gatesa omu de ba me ye kwan nti no na wutimi fa so kakra from Elibo to Enchi be 1 hour be 50 minutes be say 2 hours nso betumi a spend be 7 to 8 hours as na they do enchi because ekwan ni yenti enso ni bibi Western North constituency no anase region no akoyo mo ho te say Voltarians so no ni me say NDC na ye party no boada opa atwa wo NPP ni na wo ye president atwa wuti kwoto ho wo ye president wo NPP your friend is a party ni mu atwa wuti kwoto ho edu na bato ombeto aba ne dia mandis won to ma oda indi me aya na me wonder how aya na hemfofo na esu say NDC fu nkotwa mo kwan ma mo because ahemfofo mo ye mpanimfo a mo anyiyi a mo waga na ha mo ehu NDC amambu na ehu NDC fu ba ye mo kwan ma mo akọ mo aya ma mo ohene babu ama sorry ote power FM no say hia hene ye fo aye don e na oken kwase asem filthy west na fina no ba as a journalist enso no kwan kwabna me da akando ko he no constituency and in fact me kwa me school was also but those days no almost session you hu tim ma me ma na manko session also say was one of the best secondary schools in Ghana but me say asem when it is one kasa wo de wani kwhwe obi can cry nye omukwan yo omukwan everything about the constituency is bad but party ebebo omo no mo ntoma party leader na Mahama wa ben so de otwu muta ohenkro na wusu no besua sumodwa sorry ohenkro na wusu no wo besua sumodwa Mahama e man 100 years ipo Western North akwan no onye no obi obeye president otumi etro green book say why ya Ghana akwan nyina so NPP ba na say akwan bi enye from friend say Kaswa to Amasaman say akwan no na John Dramani Mahama etna TV so Kofi TV interview mu e kan say why ya akwan nyina ono ye overpass no e de fa ya besen ko Kaswa Amasaman now they from Amasaman to Kaswa akona kohwe kwan no so yeah kwan be fan say 9 years ni o de kona kohwe kwan no so say kwan bi da kwa che so mo aya mama mo bedi no agro you've seen nothing yet
what the you titani or that National Democratic Congress amanyukuna no me kire NDC onunyamfo Johnson esedun katia na wo de assembly akwakoto NDC amanyukuna chitafo e wo se wini ne potem anim nansema wo kan nyina ne se bia wiase e ba yesmo banyansafo ne sma na motenten Ghana for asoma omempi se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama se emfie makonan e de anim no ne nyansa ne nim de atwedi amponkwa metutubu so to so bo wiade adom no onfere se amagana be fa ntuma paifra no be ade nso guso oye na famu de na emum no Johnson say din katia say NDC amanyukuna chitafo bi bepem ne omo pom wase omu hu masem oma pema say amabaya ba de nkaja ombenya adwumaye na enso akwahwe buada enya de omenya adwumaye eno na Johnson say din katia say we ya futu osre NDC amanyukuna chitafo wo sehwi eye adabokrum ene wo bia mainstream na o mahinko e bia west wo ka kire omo say osre omo ada amanyukwo na ba omampani Mahama gusu a o hihye Ghana entimomo ma NPP for enshom se mabamba de na manya enye ne mo na tisehwe a de ye ko menya nu abi na mukom o se entesa na aban no gusu a wototo nyoma enti enye dan a NDC amanyukwo ma wo se fata se onya adwuma ye no o munya benya bia ye na de waka kire NPP for a wo mo sere eye NDC for sehwe adabokrum ni se o mu de o mo sere na sere o mu sere sabe predator so o mo sere mo ho amembu a womo nana do danko akufu ado ne omoba omia bebu Ghana no said ya mebu no etiti se ko ntibi no eno na mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama waba wo hwese enyoma ankwe no obehihye nyoma nyina yi tina ma NDC amanyukwa chitafo esefata so onye adwuma bepili omunya nyane nti omunya gidie e wa abanim no no gidie se mampani Mahama ebe de senefata na NDC amanyukwa chitafo wo sehwi adabokrum ene no mpotemo nyina no omanya adwuma ne biaye ai bo wana MPP ni abegi wanim eyezu oseyenza sepr sa apr ede an wanya osisa de we nyina ya ahorobahye nti NDC amanyukwa chitafo adabokrum omunhyo omonso na anhesa mba de enye na baafo akwaku ni motoso mienu eyesehwi isem hene wono so de adesede to NDC amanyukwa no anim ade na motitani Johnson sedin katia so say sabin producer ewiase bi osusu naniwa omu pomu wonu koni nyamenemene akwanfo do monam bi so da bia ye betwa bombe shebo ye beye kwan mfie nan na twam mfie nwotwe na twam sapr omu ho hwe to di o sre nada mfie nan de mo mampani mahamedi sapr no onfa bi mro mu pomu ho na omo nso omunya kwan papa mfa so.
Western region, is it a case to have the oil found in our area? Is it a case to have all the mineral resources in our area? Is it a case to have the cocoa growing areas in our area? Is it a case to have the timber in our area? Why do I say that? You produce almost about more than 50-60% of the national cake. But yet still, our area is one among the least developed area. Look at the place like from Takoradi to Agra Junction. Takoradi to Agra Junction. Onianum TV, smart times and more hanum. More Kwamunina Ramichan in them, Saban we. Abayam so we. Look at this stretch of road. Edene, Bonabay, and I was saying of Aya or my baby. Your best smart. Where do you catch the Muncham for Jini? Namuncha, Naman took Lumina Ben when he say Western region, yeah, bre. Agra Takradi Agra Quanta, a you road. And yet, Bonabay, a bank on your Maya. Ebia no nim, your mona.
Nti omo use the same Nkrumah principle no they declare freedom no. They declare freedom. They ama one year trumu. Ewo Ghana. And guess who posted it too? Diaspora head. The diaspora head KOD. And you go post to here. Ewo on the Facebook. However, that's all. As we speak today, you have said it. Even though the endings if I near way in a who's a woman who born sa trumu niama we muno. Still almost an anado. Still almost a that is my problem with Ghana politics. As Sophia Omokasa ye did anado attempt, edidi MPP attempt, and they say the Omat na board suntino, Obi Ayukum, and they are not saying anything. They say, like I say, as will be any Ghana view. How are we able to move forward when the people now try to even educate, they see nothing wrong with what is going on? How do we break through that?
You see, we have to understand that our government was in power for eight years, and you see, choke a lot of successes at the same time. So no, and as you know, there was apathy levels now very, very high amongst even the NPP themselves, right? And so about no, it's like I said, 2 billion and show up no. And so that's, and let's not also forget, we are just entering we are just done with the first year. And first year, of course, I buying the over, and let's share MPP are buying Obuejuma, Mr. Felix Obuejuma. They laid a solid foundation. Emma, any got the Nado Baumia government's foundation or Mule, and no government should fail. But then again, NDC for our power, so you'll be seeing that they are not good when it comes to governance. But you see, we should not forget that people are still not happy. People are still not, because you see, Minister Felix, not right? Do you know the change? Do you know what will make the change come? What will make the change come is not the people that are listening to you and I today, because again, there's about 2 million of us at home, right? Now, say and as 2 million of us now, omo koko aba from, and I say omo bunfu ya oka ya no masum na enemusa mebwa communication. It's like a chain, right? You get the support, you get the backing vocals. That the more the voices, the more impact it makes. But then you see, okay, so like that no be catch ever say na MPP must say and one kasa crowd will be a T. And I'm saying, you see, it's not about one kasa will be a T. It's not about that. So kasa no omate omutie, but you see, you need backing voices communication no. Hey, me you what you see NDC for na koye say no. Share NDC for the money na so it's about we kind of saying Ghana population is 30 million, right? 30 million.
35.
35. Okay. Now, kind of say, a MPP for everyone the same, everyone say give or take 18, MPP for 18 krana. Now, a 1 million penna, kasa. I mean, the voices will not be heard. The voices will not be heard. So one, leaders, the MPP party after the internal elections, I believe, I strongly believe that our whoever emerges the winner should form a shadow government.